I don't want to lose any of those words. I want to remember what I told, even if I am speaking. But I don't want to say or listen something casually. Just listening, not like that, not that habit. I am making a habit of listening and remembering. And repeating that listening into my mind, what I listened. Until now, from my childhood, I never tried to activate this function. Anahat sadhana. Yogis, thousands years back, this you particularly you listen from Pandit, Vedopanist Pandit Sri Ramasarma Acharya. He has written Anahat Dhwani, many books on this. I had read his books. Not all the books I have read. Some of the books, small books I have read. Anahat Dhwani, always uninterrupted, continuous sound in your body is ringing. So some people, they listen to that. When you close your ears, the how much you can hear it, whether you are closing your ears or not closing your ears, it depends upon how concentrated you are, first thing. Second thing, how prominent the pranic energy is in your body. If it is now, if when I become old, that becomes slow and slow. When I am young, that is very forceful. Okay, now yogic kriya, they try to increase this sound, the strength of this sound. Okay, particularly this sound is generated through air in three places in our body: Muladhara chakra, Muladhara chakra, heart chakra, and Agya chakra. So this three bandha, we are doing this use of three bandhas, that is a part of this sadhana. Now, so this is Anahat Dhwani sadhana, the sound of Omkar, and this Om. this generation of this sound is meant to increase the inner sound capacity, the anahat dhwani in your body. Okay, now we go back to Reiki topic. Again, I am just explaining. Our today's topic is the power of our ears. Our brain functions on three fronts. One is eyes, function of eyes, ears, function of ears, and function of the thought pattern. Now, due to the predominance of thought power, we are slowly forgetting the functioning of ears and eyes, and the yogic function is to increase the functions of our ears and eyes. Okay, so this is being achieved by concentrating deep into your body, by segmentizing your body into different sectors, sections, different categories. That's why that's how you understand the function of different uh, body parts, and you get more concentrated and you get more power. And anahat dhwani is a part of this sadhana, being done by ancient saints. Okay, now I am going to Reiki again. 3 minutes each into different parts of my body. Pancreas, heart. I am drawing those symbols. I am trying to listen the sounds as usual. Some nearby sounds, clock, sound of the clock, heartbeat, the breathing sounds. The kidneys, liver, navel, intestine. Now I want to divert this into a Sirsasana. For some time, let's do Sirsasana. Plavini. During this practice, I try to visualize, try to memorize, or any music, any sweet music or songs I heard long ago or short while. Again I go to Reiki, deep into my body parts, drawing the symbols Hansa Jesonen, Hansa Jesonen, Hansa Jesonen. I do some Kapal Bhati, left closed, Right closed, breathe in, breathe out left. Only when remove your clothes, then you can better understand the things for myself as well as for you, those people who are looking. Okay, bandh. Now we are trying to increase the function of our ears. So bandh, mahabandh, we are telling, that is very important into your concentration. Only when you increase the concentration, uh, with awareness you are trying to increase the function of your ears. You are trying to know how your ears work. Then the concentration, more of concentration increases. Okay, so bandh, concentration and functions of ears are interrelated things. When I am doing three mahabandh, I am increasing the concentration. I am increasing the concentration means I am increasing the functions of my ears. And when I am starting from that side, when I am getting aware on the functioning of my ears, that increases the power of concentration, that increases the power of my pranic energy. Okay, these three things are interrelated. So let's see the bandhas properly. Mahabandha I am doing, keeping on my mind on the functioning of my ears. I can find that my the vibration of my mind is not very powerful to overcome the other thoughts. So I cannot remember the songs sung by other, that favorite songs I always listen, because I have decreased the memory power. Okay, by trying to, by making it a habit of listening habit, again I will listen, I will memorize it, I will listen, I will try to memorize it. Practice this good things. Okay. ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू, नमस्ते। कोई गलती है तो माफ़ करना।